How to make group chat on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to open the Messenger app in your Android. You have to click on the Messenger here. You can see at the right top corner there is a pencil mark. Yes, you have to click on it and you can see different options, new messages, group chat, and you can see the name of the people below. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you have to see group chat. Click on the group chat and add the people which you want to create a group. Select people and click on the next, and you will see your group will be created on Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.